Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is defined as percentage change in quantity demanded of a good to a percentage change in its price. In other words, price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of demand of a good to a change in its price. Numerically, price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price, or delta Q by delta P into P by Q, where delta Q change in quantity demanded, delta P change in price, P is the original price and Q is the original quantity demanded. Factors affecting price elasticity of demand. Availability of close substitute. A good having close substitute will have an elastic demand, and a good with no substitute will have an inelastic demand. Income of the consumer. If the income level of the consumer is high, the elasticity of demand is less. Luxuries and necessities. A necessity is a good that a consumer must have, such as food and medicine. The price elasticity of demand is likely to be low for necessities. Luxuries are goods that are enjoyable but not essential, so that price elasticity is likely to be high. Number of use of commodities. The more the number of use of commodities can be put to, more elastic is demand. Percentage method of measuring price elasticity of demand. The value of elasticity ranges from 0 to infinite. The 5 different magnitudes of elasticity are perfectly inelastic demand, perfectly elastic demand, unit elastic demand, more than unit elastic demand, less than unit elastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand. When the demand of a commodity does not change as a result of change in price, the demand is said to be perfectly inelastic. The perfectly inelastic demand curve is a vertical line parallel to y-axis. Here, an example, price of the good is 15, 10, 20 changes, but the quantity demanded is constant at 15. In this, it is clear from the diagram that price may be OP, OP1, OP2, etc. but the demand is constant at OQ. Perfectly elastic demand. When the demand for a commodity rises or falls to any extent without any change in price, the demand for commodity is said to be perfectly elastic. Price elasticity is infinite in this case. Here, an example, price of X is constant, but the quantity of X changes from 10 to 5 and 5 to 20, etc. The demand curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Unit elastic demand. When the percentage change in demand is equal to percentage change in price, the demand is said to be unitary elastic. A unitary elastic demand curve is a straight downward sloping line forming 45-degree angles with both the axes. It is illustrated as follows. Here, price changes from 10 to 5. Quantity changes from 20 to 30. This is the unitary elastic demand curve. Here, price changes from P to P1. Quantity demanded changes from Q to Q1. The unit elastic demand curve shows that when price falls from OP to OP1, the demand rises from OQ to OQ1. the change in demand OQ1 is equal to change in price PP1. More than unit elastic or elastic demand. When a change in price leads to a more than proportionate change in demand, the demand is said to be elastic. The demand curve is a downward sloping flatter one. Here, the price changes from 10 to 9. The quantity demanded increases from 20 to 40. This is the elastic demand curve. The elastic demand curve shows that when price falls from OP to OP1, demand rises from OQ to OQ1. The change in demand OQ1 is more than the change in price PP1. Less than unit elastic or inelastic demand. When a change in price leads to a less than proportionate change in demand, the demand is said to be less elastic or inelastic. The slope of an inelastic demand curve will be more. That means demand curve is a steep one. Here price changes from 10 to 2, but the quantity changes from 20 to 21. This is the less elastic demand curve. The inelastic demand curve shows that change in quantity demanded OQ1 is less than the change in price PP1. That's about elasticity of demand. Thank you.